Beautiful sweet stars. Good afternoon, wherever you are listening to me from. How are you today? So, today I don't want to do any tutorial. I just want to come online and show you beautiful, trending children ball gown, princess ball gown that you can show to your customers. Okay? When your customer comes to make a, a princess ball gown, suggest these ones for the person. You can screenshot these pictures, or you can play the video. Just give your phone to your customer and let the person just sit down and reduce the volume so that the person will be listening to what I'm saying. Then the person should just scroll through the video and pick just anyone. These are new ball gowns in town, new styles. So you don't go about making the former just one way long ball gown. Is becoming outdated. Please go ahead to invest in stuffs like this. And then again, if you're a fashion designer, I always used to tell you, if you have a princess as a daughter, please don't allow that princess to go to church just dressing anyhow. How many yards will it take you to make this? How many? Yes, I know some of them are fabric consuming, but if you really want first Sunday of the month, haba, people should know that this is the daughter of a fashion designer. For example, what do you think is so special in this particular lemon ball gown that you are seeing? Nothing. Nothing. This is just a normal flay, gathered flay ball gown. But the only thing is that these flowers you are seeing in front, wey curve like this, was attached. There's a slit. Look at the ball gown very well. There's a slit under. That is the main ball gown, the main flay gown. There's a slit. And then they used these flowers that you are seeing to turn it. And don't forget, crinoline did a very big job here, both on the main flay ball gown and the flowers. There are crinolines, and that crinoline was turned with another beautiful fashion on the flowers. It was turned with another fabric. Can you see? Nowadays, because this tutorial is about showing you pictures of what you can explore and then giving a little bit of tutorial insight into it. So this is not just going to be about showing you the pictures. I want to show you what you can invest in. Now, this is a cone flame. But if you don't want to make it cone flame, you can as well go ahead to make it a 1440-degree flame ball gown. But try as much as, I don't know if I think I've made a cone flame tutorial. I don't know if it's on this particular channel. So this is cone flame, as you are seeing. Underneath it, on the hem area, there is crinoline. Now, there are structures on the bodies, on the upper bodies. Those structures, please do well to use organdy for it, not organza. There is one that is reigning now called organdy. Use organdy and boning for it. Use organdy and boning for it. I think I'm going to be making a video on how to make all these appliques. Okay, there's a 3D appliques there too of how to make leaf. It's still on this particular one. So it's not only our adult designs now that is carrying structured fabric. All our children too, children ball gown are also carrying structured ideas on it too. You can see this structured boning pleat on top of this upper bodies. Is it not beautiful? Is it not beautiful? And I'm telling you, for you to make them is not hard, and it doesn't really take fabric, but it makes your sewing to become outstanding. You see, when you put all these appliques here and there and all these structured designs here and there, let me tell you the truth, even when you make mistake, nobody will see it. Even when you make mistake altogether that the bodies came too low, nobody will see it, because you have put something that is removing the attention from what you really made. This is another cone flame, very beautiful. Okay, very, very beautiful with that applique. Now, there's something let me give you people a little bit of an expo. Now, I know that buying this stoned applique you are seeing on that waist area, okay, buying them now is very expensive. Can you invest in buying from Okrika? Please go to where they sell okrika, either children or adults. Most of those okrika that you are seeing that they are selling 200, 500, carry stone, carry stones that are very expensive. Yes, I was just passing one day and something attracted my attention. That was last year. And since last year, I've been doing just this one thing that I told you. Anytime I go to the market, I don't joke with Okrika area. I will go there. I'm not going there to buy for myself. Yes, sometimes I buy for myself too. But I'm not only going there to buy for myself. I'm going there to look out for fabrics that have stones on them. And let me tell you, most of those stones are very expensive. I bought silver stone on a fabric that was sold 300 naira. I'm not even wearing it. I'm not even wearing the top because I don't like it. But it's too big and it came heavily stoned. But the stone was old fashioned. That's the way they designed the stone on the top. It's old fashioned. You won't even like it. But what I went for was the stone on the fabric. So those designs you are seeing on all those okrika, you can use them to design your fabric, whatever you are sewing. Whatever you are sewing, and it will be blinking. When I bought that one, I used it to make abaya. If you see that stone on that abaya, you'll be thinking that abaya is from Mecca. It glitters in the night. So please invest in that one. That's one place. Because if you want to start buying those stones and appliques from the market now, it will be expensive. Ordinary sequence stone, what they call it now, they were telling me 5,000 naira. But the stones on this thing they were telling me 5,000 naira is even cheap, is even inferior to the one I bought in Okrika. So when you are buying your Okrika designs next time, please look beyond the fabric, look beyond what you are looking for buying, and look out for fabrics that have stones and embellishments on them. Those embellishments, you can remove them from that Okrika top and put them on what you are wearing. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to be making a tutorial of this first step of this ball gown. So let me leave this particular one. Let's go to the next one. Now, we all know how this one was made. I've made a tutorial of these upper bodies. Now, when you are, please, there's something people used to do. Let me talk about it now. Please stop using satin for your under. That's this net you are looking at now, whatever is under it, except you are laying that fabric with about 6 yards of net, so it will not show. But if people will be seeing a glimpse of the fabric that you are using as lining for you, please let it be bridal satin. If you no get money for any other thing, please let it be bridal satin. Stop using satin, ordinary satin. Stop using taffeta. Stop using taffeta to line your ball gowns. In as much as you feel it will not show. If the design you made is one that the net is not much, so they can see through the net to whatever you use to line it inside, it will make your sewing to look cheap. Yes, I said it. There's this effect that bridal satin gives to your ball gown. It gives it this fullness. It gives it this sharp fullness. Okay, so these are the things I want to point out that is making your own ball gown not to be cheap. Now, if you are going to be using what is it called now? Remind me, please. If you are going to be using net, hard net, please use hard net. Use hard net if you want to achieve fullness. The difference between your own, if you are not going to be using hard net, that you want to use all through net, then let the net be full. Make it like 10-12 layers. Then at the end, attach rope at the back. If you are not attaching rope at the back, please attach bow tie that will help you to gather it and hold the child's waist. If your fabric, if you put belt at the back so that they can tie it at the back, it makes the down part of the ball gown to puff up. Do you understand? It makes it to puff up, adding fullness to your sewing. Because I see people, you did not add a ball gown, you just made like 4 or 5 layers of net, and that's all. You did not pull rope. I don't know. So please, whenever you are making ball gown they different, flay gown they different. No, there's a big difference between ball gown and flay gown. Flay gown can flay anyhow; it doesn't really matter. But ball gown must ball. That's why they call it ball. They round. Wetin make you go make your own ball gown? No dey round. na lie, is not a ball gown. So it go dey round, there's this fullness. That's why I always advise you to invest in basket. But if you cannot invest if you invest in basket, then the number of materials you are going to be using will be less. Or if you want it to be over big, you still layer it the way you want to layer it. But if you are not adding basket, please add hard net. You cannot do ball gown without hard net. Wetin me dey see many people dey sew na flay gown. Na flay gown, not ball gown. So these are the fabric. When showing your customers this my video, so that dem no go know say the person no go know say you dey copy person. So please just reduce the volume of this video from your phone and just give your client this thing to scroll through. These are the trending ball gowns in town now, guys. Now, let me quickly talk about something else, please. When making your ball gown, if you want to make this style that is one hand shoulder, please, when you look at that your customer's child and the child is a little bit skinny, the child is not plumpy, please don't make one shoulder. Don't make anything that will show shoulder. Because no matter how, the child go dey somehow. That's what I've observed. So this is a cute style. This particular one on the screen now is a cute style that you can sew for a child that is a little bit skinny. Most of our daughters are a little bit skinny around the shoulder. So when you make designs that are exposing the shoulder, all right, when you make designs that are exposing the shoulder, it will make the child look more skinny. But if na who get fullness for body, yes, it go bring out the child's body will bring out more of your fashion, more of your style. Do you understand? So I want to believe that these 11 styles, if you like, go and be showing Ankara flay gown that is ball gown, your clients will just know that you don't know how to sew. Please show this style. So show the client this style. Invest. Since you don't know how to make it, send me a DM on my WhatsApp. That's my number, my WhatsApp number there. Send me a DM. Let me see the style and I will cut it for you. I will show you how to cut it. A lot of people have done. I've done it for a lot of people. I will cut it for you free. If na money they fear you, I will cut it for you free. Stop showing shabby designs to your clients. Go ahead and invest in stuffs like this. Show them. E no hard. Children ball gown are the easiest thing wey you fit sew. Yes, I tell you. On this ball gown, head sometimes you people are making ball gown. You be making ball gown with needle of size 16. It is wrong. When sewing this fullness, go and look for size 18. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.